Stepping back real quick, what were some basic nut and bolts of why we had that 43% increase? It felt like kind of a catch up. It's like all our houses, everybody's houses
Yep.
really went up in value. So what was that all of a sudden kind of increase? Was that more of a catch up?
Kind of. A lot of it was more to response for the market. So you're a real estate agent. You remember back in 23, I mean, there were people that were buying houses that weren't even looking at them. They were
Yeah.
just coming from all over. Like they just didn't even see them. They're like, yeah, I want the highest bidder. I mean, you could speak more to this. What was the average over price for a home? It was like 15, 20 something percent. That was a lot of inflation stuff, and that affects our world, right? So when
Yeah.
we look at replacement cost of a home, that is the number one rating factor of where we get our prices from, because insurance is risk management. The bigger and nicer the house is, the more it costs to fix it. And so when the market deems that house even more expensive, I mean, kind of seemingly for me overnight, I mean, it was a radical change maybe in 2 or 3 months where we saw that. Insurance companies had to respond to that because now all of a sudden their regular risk management models for a big organization weren't looking at a house at an $800,000 replacement cost, which just maybe 6 months before that was deemed like 500,000 replacement cost. So
Yeah.
that's why we
Yeah.
saw this big dramatic, change in price.